Hello, welcome back to Daily English Talk.
Hi, everyone. We're so happy you're here with us today.
I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. On this channel, we help you practice real, everyday English.
If you like learning with us, please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Today, we are going to the bank. We will learn what to say at the bank.
That's right. Let's get started.
So, Emma, how are you today?
I'm very well, thank you, Jack. And you?
I'm good. A little tired. I went for a long walk this morning.
Oh, that's nice. Where did you go?
Just in the park near my house. The weather is so beautiful today.
Yes, it is. A perfect day. So are you ready to go to the bank?
I think so. I need to go to the bank, too. I need some money.
Well, that's perfect. Let's go together. Okay. Here we are at the bank.
It looks very nice and clean and quiet. We need to be quiet, right?
Not too quiet, Jack. Just use your normal voice. But look, there is a line. We need to wait.
A line. Oh, I see. A queue. We wait here?
Yes. See the sign? It says, please wait here for the next available teller.
Available teller. That means a teller who is free, with no customer.
Exactly. You are learning fast.
Thank you. So, what are you doing at the bank today, Emma?
I need to withdraw some money. I'm going shopping later.
Withdraw. That means to take money out.
Perfect. And you?
I need to withdraw money too, for pizza tonight. But I also have a question about euros.
Euros. For your trip?
Yes, for my trip to Spain. I need to know how to get euros.
Ah, you need to exchange currency.
Exchange currency. That's a good phrase. I will use that.
Teller. Next, please. Oh, it's our turn. You can go first, Jack.
Me? But you were first in the line.
It's okay. Go ahead.
Okay. Thank you. Hello.
Hello. How can I help you?
Hi. I would like to, withdraw some money, please.
Certainly. Do you have an account with us?
Yes, I do. I have an account here.
Great. And do you have your bank card?
My bank card.
I am going to Spain. What is the exchange rate today?
Let me check that for you. Today, the exchange rate is $1 to 0.94 euros.
0.94. So if I give you $100, I get 94 euros?
That is correct. The rate changes every day.
I understand. And can I do that now?
Yes, you can. How much would you like to exchange?
I would like to exchange $100 for euros, please.
Okay, so I will take $100 from you and I will give you 94 euros. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Here you are, 94 euros. And here is a receipt for the exchange.
Wow, look at the money. It looks different. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your trip to Spain.
Thank you. I will.
Well done, Jack.
Thank you. It was easy. Your turn, Emma.
Hello again. Hello. What can I do for you today? I would like to withdraw $200, please. No problem. Do you have your card? Yes, right here. Thank you. Please insert it and enter your PIN whenever you're ready. Okay. $200. And would you like your receipt? Yes, please. Here is your cash, your receipt, and your card. Anything else for you? Actually, yes. I need to deposit a check as well.
Deposit. That means to put money in.
Yes, I have a check from my friend for my birthday. Oh, happy birthday! Thank you. So, how do I deposit it? Do you have the check with you? Yes, I do. Here it is. Great. You can just give it to me. I need you to sign the back of the check, please. Write For deposit only. Sign the back. For deposit only. Okay, just a moment. There you go. Perfect. I will process this for you. The money will be in your account tomorrow. Thank you so much. My pleasure.
Emma, I have another question.
For the teller,
Yes, excuse me, sorry for another question.
it's no problem at all. I'm here to help.
What is the difference between a savings account and a checking account? My friend told me about them.
That's a very good question. A checking account is for your everyday money. You use it for shopping, for bills, for taking out cash. It's very easy to access.
Easy to access, so like my card for pizza.
Exactly. A savings account is for money you want to save for a long time, for a future goal, like a new car or a house or a big trip.
And sometimes the bank gives you a little extra money for keeping it in a savings account. That's called interest.
That's right. A small amount of interest.
Interest? So my money can make a little more money?
Yes, it can.
That sounds like a good idea. Maybe I should open a savings account.
We can certainly help with that. You would need to speak with one of our advisors and fill out an application form.
An application form? Is it difficult?
It's not difficult. They just ask for your name, your address, and some other information.
I see. Maybe I will do that next time. I need to think about it.
Of course, take your time. I think we have taken a lot of your time. Thank you for being so patient. It's absolutely my pleasure. Is there anything else at all?
I think that is everything for me. Thank you for the money and the euros and the information.
Yes, thank you so much. You are both very welcome. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Goodbye.
Okay, Jack, mission accomplished.
Yes, we withdrew money, you deposited a check, I got euros, and we learned about savings accounts.
That is a very successful trip to the bank.
I think so too. Now, about that pizza. Do you like pizza?
I love pizza.
Great. My treat. I have $150.
Jack, the pizza does not cost $150.
Oh, right. Maybe just a small pizza then.
That was a very useful conversation, Jack.
It was. I think I used my brain a lot today. So many new words.
I know.